Use ClaroRead to identify and check homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings. For example, see and see, or two, and two. From Word, click on the homophone button in the toolbar. Next, select Show Homophones from the drop-down menu. ClaroRead will highlight the homophones in the text. Click on a highlighted word, then choose ABC Check from the ClaroRead toolbar. You will be able to see the alternative words and their definitions in the pop-up window. Select the correct word and then click Change. Once you have completed your checks and changes, close the pop-up window. To stop showing the highlighted homophones, click on the homophone button, then select Clear Homophones from the drop-down menu.